Welcome back friends. Today we will continue our chapter number 8 with exercise 8.2. So let's start exercise 8.2. So first question, convert the given fraction to percentage. We saw many kind of example related to this method. So now it will be easy to solve the example. Convert fraction to percentage. So here 1 by 8 is given. So we can find the percentage by multiplying it with 100%. Now divide 100 by 8. So 20, 16. So it is 12.5. 1 by 8 represents 12.5 percentage. Now 5 by 4. So here 5 by 4 is multiplied with 100%. So 25 4s are 100. 5 multiplied 25 is 125. Now as I told you that whenever it is a proper fraction, percentage is less than 100, and whenever it is improper fraction, percentage is greater than 100. So you need to remember that 3 by 40 multiplied by 100%. So you can cut here 10, 25 4s are 100. Now 25 3 is 75, divide 10. So it is 7.5%. So 3 by 40 represents 7.5%. Now next one, 2 by 7. So it is 2 by 7 multiply 100%. So it is 200 divided 7. So let's divide 200 by 7. It is 28.5%. Clear? So this is how we can convert the fraction into percentage. Now next, convert decimal to percentage. So here decimal is given and you need to write the decimal is given and you need to write the percentage. So 65, 0.65 as a fraction. We can write it as a 65 divided by 100. I already told you that whenever decimal is given, first convert decimal to fraction and then fraction to percentage. So 0.65 can be written as 65 by 100. Now it represents 65 percentage because denominator is already 100. 2.1, so it is written as 21 by 10 multiply 100%. So here we can cut 0, 0. 21 into 10 is 210 percentage. 0.02, so it is 2 by 100. So that is what? 2%. Because denominator is already 100. That's why answer is directly 2%. Now 12.35, it is represented as 1235 divide 100. Why 100? Because after decimal point there are 2 digits. Here it is also decimal point 2 digits, so need to write 0 in a 20 denominator. So it is 1235%. So this way we can convert the decimal to percentage. Now next one, estimate what part of figure is colored and hence find the percentage which is colored. So we know how to write the part as a fraction. So from four part, here one part is colored. If we draw a line like this, then from 4 part, one part is colored, so it is fraction and we can represent it as 1 by 4. Now we already know how to write percentage or fraction into percentage. To convert this fraction into percentage, it is multiplied by 100%. So 25 4s are, so it is 25%. Means fraction is 1 by 4 and percentage is 25%. Clear? Now next one. Here figure is divided into 5 equal parts and in that 3 parts is colored. So fraction can be represented as from 5 part 3 part is colored. So fraction is 3 by 5. Percentage can be found by 3 by 5 multiply 100. 25 is 100, so it is 60%. Fraction is 3 by 5 for this figure and percentage is 60% part is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal 5. And from that 3 part is color. So as a fraction we can represent it as a 3 by 8. Now percentage we can find it by multiply with 100%. Now divide 300. That is 300 divided by 8%. So divide 300 by 8. So it is 37.5%. Now next one, question number 4. Find 15% of 250. We already saw this kind of example. So 15% of 250 can be found by 15 by 100. That is 15% of means multiplication 250. 0 cancel. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 15 5s are 75 by 2. So it can be represented as 37.5. So 15% of 250 is 37. 1% of 1 hour. So convert this 1 hour into 60 minutes. So 1% of 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now 1% means 1 by 100 multiply 60. Here we can cancel out this. So 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6 minutes. You can also cover this in converting 1 hour into seconds. So it is 3600 seconds. That answer is also correct. So I convert hour into minute. So it is 60 minutes. 60 by 10, that is 0.6 minutes. Now next one, 20% of rupees 2500. So 20% means 20 divided 100 of means multiplication 2500. Now here we can write 20. 25 to the 50, so it is 500 rupees. So 20% of 2500 is 500 rupees. Next one, 75% of 1 kg. So let's convert kg into gram. So 75% of 1000 gram. Now 75% is 75 by 100 of means multiplication 1000. 20 will be cancelled out. So it is 750 gram. 75% of 1 kg, that is 1000 gram, is 750 gram. Now next one, question number 5. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. So here how can we find the answer? 5% of it means what number we don't know. So 5% of x is 600. So this can be written as like this. 5% of unknown quantity is 600. So means we need to find for which number we take 5%. So it will give 600. Now we know how to solve this. 5% means 5 by 100 of means multiplication x is equal to 600. 5 20 is 100. Now 20, that is in a denominator, become multiplication on right side. So x is equal to 600 multiply 20. 12, that is 12,000. Means if you take 5% of 12,000, answer is 600. 5% of 12,000 is 600. Now next one, 12% of it is 1080. So 12% means 12 by 100 of means multiplication. Now which quantity we don't know, so we write x. Here we can write 12% of x is 1080. So 12 by 100 multiply x is equal to 1080. Now 100 that is in a denominator become multiplication because here we need to find x. So 12 become denominator and 100 become numerator. So x is equal to 1080 multiply 100 divided by 12. Now 90, so it is 9,000. So 12% of 9,000 will give 1,080. Next one, 40% of it is 500 kilometers. So here we can write 40% 40 by 100 multiply x is equal to 500. You can cut this 0. 4 become denominator, 10 become multiplication. So x is equal to 500 multiply 10 divide 4. Here 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Here we can cut 250. 1250. So 40% of 1250 will be 500 millimeter. 70% of it is 14 millimeter. So here we can write 70% of x is 14 millimeter. So 70 divide 100 multiply x is equal to 40. We can cut the 0, 7 in the denominator, 10 in the numerator. 40 divides 7 multiply 100. So here it is 20 minutes. So 70% of 20 minutes is 40 minutes. Now next example, 8% of 8 is 40 liters. So we can write 8% means 8 by 100. Of means we can write 8% of x is 40 liters. Now 8 divide 100 multiply x is equal to 40. Here we need to find x, so take 100 in a multiplication and 8 in a divide. So 40 multiply 100 divide 8. 8 5s are 40, so it is 500 liters. 8% of 500 liters will give 40 liters. Now next one, convert given percentage to decimal fraction and also fraction in a simplest form. Convert percentage to decimal and fraction in a simplest form. So now 25% it is written as 25 by 100. So as a decimal it is 0.25. Now for a fraction we can here 25 by 100. We can cancel 25 4s are, so it is 1 by 4. So as a fraction it represents 1 by 4. So 25% as a decimal is 0.25 and as a fraction it is 1 by 4. 150 percentage, so it is written as 150 divide 100. So as a decimal it is 1.5. We can cut here 0. Now 15 by 10. Here we need to convert it into simplest form. 15 by 10 is also fraction, but it is not in a simplest form. So as a fraction we can write 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So it is fraction is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is 150% and 1.5 is also 150%. Now 20%. So 20% it means 20 by 100. So we can cancel out the 0. So as a decimal it is 0.2 and 2 by 10. So here we can get 1 by 5. So as a fraction it is 1 by 5. Now next one, 5%. So 5% can be written as 5 by 100. So as a decimal, in a denominator we have 2 zeros, so it is 0.05. And 5 by 100, so we can cut here 25s are. So fraction is 1 by 20. Clear? So this way you can convert percentage to fraction and percentage to decimal. Now next one, example 7. In a city, 30% are females and 40% are males, and remaining are the children. What percent are children? So whenever it is about the percentage is always counted from 100, because in a denominator we are considering zeros. Means from in a denominator we are considering 100. So 100 from 100, 30 are females and 40 are males. So remaining are the children. So we can write percentage if we subtract 40%, that is number of male, percentage of male, and 30%, that is percentage of female. So 100% minus 70%, so it is 30%. Percentage of children are 30%. Why? Because percentage is always counted from 100. So from 100, 40 are males and 30 are females. So remaining are the children, and remaining is the 30%, that are percentage of children. Now next one, out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. If 60% are voted, then how many percentage did not vote? So remaining from 100, 60 are voted. So remaining 40% are not voted. So we can write from constituency 60% are voted. So 100 minus 60, that is 40% are not voted. So 40% did not vote. Find how many actually did not vote. Now you need to find the number of people that do not vote. It means 40% of 15,000, that gives the number of people did not vote. So we can write 40%, that is percentage of people did not vote of 15,000 not voting. If the question is about find number of people that are actually voted, then you need to find 60% of 15,000. But here the question is how many people are not voted, so it is 40% are of 15,000. So 40 divide 100. Of means multiplication, 15,000. 20 will be cancelled out. So it is 6,000. So 6,000 people do not vote in a. Now example 9. Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Means Meeta saves 10% of her salary, and that is 400. So this is the saved money and this is the saved percentage. But what is her total salary, that we need to find. So we can write 10% of salary, that is saved salary, it is 400. So 10% of X, because salary is not given to us and that we need to find. So is equal to 400. 10 divide 100 of means multiplication, X is equal to 400. So here we can cut 0. Now 10 that is in a denominator become multiplication. So X is equal to 400 multiply 10. So that is 4,000. Means if her salary is 4,000 and saved percentage is 10%, that it will give 400 rupees. 10% of what? 4,000 is 400. Now next one. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. If won 25% of them, that means what? Matches they play. So 25% of 20. That means what? Here 25% of matches they play is the number of winning. So how many matches they win? So we can write 25% of matches they play is give number of winning matches. So 25% of 20 matches they play. Now 25 by 100 of means multiplication 10. 25 4s are 100. 4 5s are 20. So 5 matches they